Here we making a video to tell how to level the bed. Here is the Ender 3S1 for example, and other type of the printer are similar. First, when we power on the printer, we need to control and reset the configuration. When you hear DD, that means this step is done. And we go to the next step. We get into the prepare and first preheat PLA. And now I've already preheat PLA, and the nozzle temperature and hot bed temperature is achieved to the 260 temperature. And now we first auto home. Now the X, Y, and Z will go home. And the Z axis will move up for 10 millimeter. And next step is we go into the move and move Z. You can see now the Z axis is up to 10 millimeter. We have to lower it to 0, and as you can see, now the nozzle is more near to the hot bed. So we back to here, and we need to set the Z offset to make the nozzle more near to the hot bed. When we make the number more layer, you can see the nozzle more closer to the hot bed. And now we prepare an A4 paper between the nozzle and hot bed. We can pour the paper and test the distance from the nozzle to the bed. And we continue lower the distance and do more tests. And if you feel some pressure from the paper, that means the nozzle is more near to the hot bed. You can feel slightly pressure on the paper, and that means that distance is correct. We confirm this Z offset, and next we select disable stepper. And now we can move the hot end. We can move the hot bed. We have 4 corners on the hot bed. First, we move the nozzle to the left and the hot bed to the back, and we adjust this corner. Here we can see there have up and down ladders on this nut, and this have a direction. That means on this direction the hotbed will move up. That means the hotbed will more closer to the nozzle. And on another direction the hotbed will go down. That means the hotbed will move far from the nozzle. So according to this, we can control the distance from the nozzle and hotbed. So now I can feel it's too slight. So I need to make the hotbed higher, make it more closer, and yes, now I can feel the pressure from the paper. And we move on the other corner. We make the hot end to the right side, and also I can feel the pressure of the paper is correct. Okay, now I can move to another next step. So on this corner I can feel the pressure for the paper is too strong. So I need to put down, make the hotbed lower, so the hotbed will go far away from the nozzle, and now the paper pressure is correct. And we move the hotbed to another corner. You can see it's too strong. And also we need to move down the hotbed. And yes, now it's correct. And we have to repeat the step and to make sure other corners ejections will affect this corner. So we have to reconfirm this corner. And now it's a little bit too tight, so we need to move down again. It's too slight. Now it's fit. And go on another corner. Too tight, too slight. Now fit. Again this corner, too slight. Move up. Too slight. Move up. Now get fit. In the next corner. Too slight. Move up. Too slight. Move up. Fit. And again we check this corner. Fit. Too slight. Too slight. Fit. Too slight. Fit. Fit. And one more. Fit. Oh, too tight. Too tight. Too tight. Fit. Too tight. Too slight. Fit. 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 Okay. When we confirm 4 corners are fit, and we can move to the next step. That means we can print. We select the file we want to print. First, the machine will go home. And now we have to load the PLA. As we can see, the print is fit. The PLA is stacked stiff on the plate very well. So this is how we level the bed. And if when you print you found the nozzle is too far away from the hotbed or too closer to the hotbed, you can also adjust the Z offset into the print here. You can see the Z offset. And if you found the printer, the nozzle is too close to the bed, you can make the Z offset adjusted, and the nozzle will goes up. And if you feel the nozzle are too far away from the hotbed, you can adjust the Z offset lower to make the nozzle more closer to the hotbed. So as you can see, this print is perfect.